Hey, it's Kunal, commercial product photographer, and today let's talk about building a portfolio for commercial photography. Now, when it comes to commercial product photography or any kind of commercial photography, your portfolio is the most important thing. So, I always say this that invest as much time as possible in building a portfolio, in learning photography, in understanding light, because this is what is going to keep you in the game for a long time. Now, what I have seen is that a portfolio, broadly speaking, could be in two directions. The first is that a photographer could be a jack of all trades or a master of one. Now, there's no right or wrong in this. I've seen photographers in with either portfolios doing good in their lives, making good money. So the first one, where the photographer is a jack of all trades, he's the guy who does everything, who shoots products, fashion, lifestyle, wildlife, weddings, events, and everything. Okay, and these are the guys who are really good at marketing and networking, and they do a lot of small jobs to make good money. The other possibility is that you are a master of one. Your work is really exceptional, and you get called for very specific high-end campaigns where you do less number of jobs but you charge big money. So both the ways are good. I'm not against any one or the other, but I prefer to be a master of one. So I specialize in one thing. Now, your portfolio should reflect three main things. First, who you are as a photographer, what do you do, and who do you work for. So in my case, I am a product photographer specializing in drinks, liquids, and cosmetics, and I collaborate with ad agencies and brands to create world class campaigns. Okay, that is who I am. So my portfolio should reflect the same. Okay, so for your portfolio, I would suggest that if you're starting out, have at least 10 to 15 world class images shot in your style and with your specialization. Okay, and once you have this portfolio, then you can start approaching people in the industry who matter. And I have another video made on especially this, how to get your first commercial client. So make sure you watch that as well. And if you like these kind of videos, do like, subscribe, and share these videos so I can share more and more content with you guys. And if you have any questions, drop it in the comment sections, and I'll try my best to answer to your questions. Well, there you have it, guys. So see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye.